unless you're faster than that. And Ricky Orange told us that's a king snake, a chicken
Not
snake.
a rattlesnake. We trust Ricky Orange.
Well, any snake is a snake you just want to stay away from, right? And leave it be, because they're good for nature, but not good for humans to come in contact with. Good morning.
Thank you for the science lesson this morning.
I felt the fear welling up inside me when I was trying to complete my sentence there. I couldn't even do it.
Happens every time I open my mouth. Who knows what's going to come out?
Who knows? That's why we're here.
Yeah. I'm Julie Craning. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. We start off this Monday morning with, looks like it's going to be another hot one out there, Justin.
Sorry, Julie, just taking a few notes from Neil. So that is, snakes are bad for humans and good for nature?
Yes.
Right.
Got it. Thank you, Neil.
Always working on the big picture here, Justin. Then we start narrowing in from there.
Knowledge, what we're all about. Let's talk Netflix.